In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your app text styles in Base44. We'll walk through this together inside the Base44 editor, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the look and feel of your text, so it matches your design and is easy to read. First, make sure you're in the Base44 app editor, looking at the screen or page you want to edit. To start changing a text style, you'll need to select a text element on your canvas. This could be a heading, a paragraph, a button label, or any other piece of text in your layout. Hover your mouse over the element until you see it highlight, then click on it once. You should see that element become active, usually with a blue outline or selection box around it, indicating that it's the one you're about to edit. Taking a second to be sure you've selected the right element will help you avoid changing the wrong text by accident. Once your text element is selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen for the styling options. You'll want to find the text styling controls, which are represented by a T icon, often with an underline or something that suggests typography. This icon is your main gateway to adjusting how your text looks. Go ahead and click that T icon. When you do, a panel or section dedicated to text styles will open up. This is where you can control things like font, weight, alignment, and more, all focused on the text you have selected. Inside this text styling panel, locate the section labeled Size. This is where you can change how large or small your text appears. Click into the size control, which might be a drop-down, a slider, or a field where you can type a number. Increase the size if you want your text to stand out more, or decrease it for subtitles, captions, or smaller labels. As you adjust the size, keep an eye on the preview of your app so you can see the changes in real time. Aim for a size that is readable on both desktop and mobile, especially if your app will be used on different devices. Once you're satisfied with the new text size, remember to save your changes in the Base44 editor. That's all you need to do to change your app text styles in Base44.